Our company is Varta Storage. We are a German-based company focused on energy storage systems for solar, off-grid, on-grid, or backup systems. The energy storage system is a new foray for Varta as we begin to go into larger types of systems that are kind of focused on this emerging energy storage market. Energy storage business in Germany for about the last 3 or 4 years, and now we've brought this over into the U.S. and are beginning to introduce some of our products for the first time in the U.S. I'd like to talk a little bit about is our our first product offering inside the U.S. market, which is based on our lead-acid battery system. We call this our Century unit. The Century unit it's right here. It's a very modular type of system, as you'll see when we open it up. The system can be configured in anywhere from 8 kilowatt hours to 16 kilowatt hours. What's nice about the system is that it's very integrated. So not only is the battery system in there, but there's also an inverter that allows it to be connected directly into the electrical technology that we use in this system is a lead-acid system. And the reason that we use lead-acid in this case is because we've designed this product specifically for emergency backup. We do use lithium-ion systems in some of our other programs, which I'll discuss a little bit later. But what we've done here is that we have a very good lead-acid product, because lead-acid is from an economic standpoint, as well as from an operational standpoint, is a very good system to be used for emergency backup. The batteries themselves are made here in the U.S., down in Pennsylvania. The system can be configured either having 8 up to 16 batteries, in place. A couple of different features around this is, as you can see, if from here, is that we have the system kind of tied in. The system itself it's a 48-volt system, and then we tie these in kind of in a parallel configuration. Each one of these systems along here, as you can see, has a 250 amp fuse for additional layer of protection placed right here. But here's the fuse, and you can see that it kind of goes through on each bar itself. We use also Schneider's Xantrax inverter, which is a top-of-the-line inverter. It's an off-the-shelf inverter that we kind of combine with that. A lot of times when you see folks that are doing energy storage, it's a way of kind of putting batteries together and cobbling them up, in emergency backup. What we wanted to do is offer a complete system that offers very minimal amount of assembly. So dealers, installers, what they can do is essentially go, bring the cabinet in. The cabinet would come, with the inverter, but without the batteries. The batteries would come separate. It gets installed into the system. The batteries kind of slide in and, very easily into the trays that are here and get connected together for the backup.